Good day, Anqing. Thank you for visiting us. On behalf of KVB, we are excited to welcome you to Malaysia and to our office. Sitting next to me, we have Mr. Amjad Ali Shah, who traveled all the way from Pakistan to be with us today. So in this interview, we would love to get to know more about you and your thoughts on the trading industry. So first of all, Mr. Amjad, could you tell me a little bit about yourself and your background in trading?
Thank you. I have started my trading journey about 6 years ago. Initially, it was it was just a chill, and I was just checking this industry, not as a like I didn't learn at that time something, but with getting time and with the growing, I got maturity in this field, and I learned very much. I trade commodities and indices, and I have worked with different brokers, but currently now working with KVB. For me, trading is not just a gambling, it's like a proper business model. You have to grow your capital, not like a gambler, like doubling on second day. You have to plan for long term. So that's it.
I see, Mr. Amjad. So may I know how would you describe your trading style or strategy?
Well, initially I was like a scalper and I was intraday trader, but with getting maturity, I started as swing trading. Normally, I open position using technical analysis, but I is on fundamental analysis and I do watch news, and then I plan my trade.
Oh, I see, Mr. Amjad. So what is your trading philosophy and how does it dictate your trades?
Well, it's an important factor in trading is trading philosophy. For me, always to be patient, to be disciplined, and to be a good risk manager is a good trader. It's not like that every day you will win. You can lose any day, and you can lose any month. But it doesn't mean you should change your strategy, or it should affect your philosophy, or it should affect your psychology. So trading psychology or trading philosophy is the main factor, and you have to stay patient, you have to trust your strategy, and then plan accordingly, and you have to wait for the levels which you marked.
Awesome. It's good to know that. How about your short-term and long-term goals in trading?
Well, short-term goals are like to make your capital safe. Like when you put your capital in this field, the first thing you should make your capital safe. For long term, like staying patient and staying consistent, the growth will come. It doesn't mean that growth will come in days. It will take time, but at the end you will see the growth, and you should manage your risk. You shouldn't put all your capital at risk in one trade. You should manage your risk and plan accordingly.
All right. So has your trading philosophy changed while you're getting more experience? If yes, what has changed?
Yeah, obviously. When I started, my philosophy was different, and now I'm a much mature trader. At start, I was a gambler, and I have lost so much capital in start. But with getting maturity, I'm patient. I do wait for my setup, for my perfect setup, and then execute the trade. If I'm not getting my setup, I don't trade. Losing capital is bad. Instead, wait for your setup, and then plan accordingly, and then execute the trade.
Great, Mr. Amjad. Last but not least, so what is the one key lesson or a piece of advice that you wish you had knew when you first started trading?
Well, the only one which I can tell you, that always, if you are a trader, always trust your strategy. Always trust your whatever your strategy is. It is good. It's not bad, but be patient for that. Don't be in hassle. Always be patient. Be disciplined. And one thing, that never lose your heart if you have any bad day in trading, because it's like a business. It's not like a gambling. While you lose a trade, you should think that it's like because you're not paying any rent, any pay, so you should think that it's a rent, like it's my running cost. So if you think like this, you will be a successful trader. So always be patient, be disciplined, and be a good risk manager.
All right, understood, Mr. Amjad. Thank you for your valuable insights. It's always helpful to understand how traders approach the market, especially given the current condition. Now, let's look at the other side of trading, the broker. As a trader, a broker plays a very important role as a bridge between you and the market, and it's not just placing the trade. With that in mind, let's start with this. So, Mr. Amjad, what key features do you look for in a forex broker?
Well, the most important thing while you are starting trading, so it's a broker. To choose a broker, you have to see the instant smooth deposit and withdrawals, and you have to see the support system. So while choosing a broker, you have to see this. And well, now I'm currently trading with KVB, so I have tested it. So it's a good broker, its support system is good, and its execution of trade is good, like the speed of execution. And then the withdrawal and deposit system is good, but there's always a room for improvement. So I hope in the time to come it will get more improvement in all these things.
All right. So, what are you looking for when choosing a trading broker? And in your opinion, what makes a good broker?
Well, for me, the broker is not just a service provider. It should be a partner of a trader. Like a trader should feel that I am talking with my partner, and there shouldn't be any communication gap between the broker and the trader. So for me, a broker which feels like a partner is a good broker, and the communication system should be good and easy to use. Like whenever you want to talk to the support system, it should reply in time, and it should not only reply, it should also solve the problems which you are mentioning, solve your issues, and all these things.
All right, understood. How about what does success in trading means to you, and how could a broker help you to achieve it?
Well, for me, if a broker can tell me that this is gonna happen, for me it will be good, because I will be 100% successful trader. If a broker can predict a market for me, like if a broker can tell me that gold is going to up or it's going to down, so it will be a good one. It was on a lighter note. Mainly support system and execution of trades. If it is good, and regulation also, then a broker is good for me.
All right. So, how do you get to know our company KVB?
Well, some of my friends were using it few years, and a year back. So they introduced KVB to me. Then I checked the system, the dashboard, and the regulation and the management. So then I started using, and then I searched it on internet and LinkedIn. So then I came to know about KVB, and then I started my journey with KVB, and now it's going on.
I see. Yeah. So last but not least, what is the one thing a broker could do to make your life easier?
As I told, the only thing broker can tell me to predict the market for me as a trader, that it can tell me that what's going to happen in the gold market. It can make my life easier.
All right, thank you, Mr. Amjad, for being with us today. We really appreciate you sharing about your journey experience. Looking forward to more opportunities together in future. Once again, thank you for being with us.
Thank you.
Thank you.